Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. And for those of you who are new to the channel, I am going to go ahead and encourage you to click the subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the lovely crafty uploads. And for those who are current subscribers, thanks so much for coming back. Thanks for your comments, your feedback, and your encouragement. Now, I'm on today to share with you the rack that I received from my junk journal buddy Gretchen. Okay, so this is actually a swap, not rack. It's a swap. And if you are interested in joining any of the future swaps, down in the description I will have a link to the Facebook group hosted by or created by Liz for a Day, and it's basically exclusively for junk journalers. Okay, so now the swap that she has sent, and isn't this the cutest thing? So this is the card, and I'll look at that off camera, but let's just first take a look at the cuteness of this. It looks like vintage paper, not sure, but I love how she has the holiday stamping on there, and she's inked the edges and stitched around it to create an envelope. And then there's the little closure that is, let's see, what is it? It's a little shooting star. Oh, it's pretty. Look at that little shooting star. That is such a creative idea. As many charms as I have, you think that I would have come up with that. Thanks for the great idea, Gretchen. And before I open this up, Gretchen, I just want to say thanks for agreeing to swap with me, and I hope that you like what I've sent you. Okay? So now, just so you know, this swap is fabric. So this is going to be short and sweet because it's just one swap partner. But it's fabric. It's a fabric swatch. It's like fabric scraps or swatch or something like that. So without further ado, let me make sure this one feels okay. And this paper really doesn't feel like, has a fabric feel to it. She must have layered that up. It feels kind of thick. Anyways, love the little envelope, and I will be reusing that. Probably it'll go into a side of a journal. 3 for midnight. I just think that's the cutest thing. Anyways, okay, so we have, let me just put that right here. There. We've got red, white, and green. Great. So this is good for Christmas. Christmas journaling. Snowflakes. Can you guys see? Black and white and gray with a little bit of silver, if you can see that. Let me see if you guys can see that. Metallic feel. Let's see. These look like snowflakes. They could be used as snowflakes. Blue and white. It looks like kind of like a lattice print. Some cute little flowers. I love that teal in the background too. A nice green scroll print, great for the holidays. Green, cream, blue. And now this looks like a vintage fabric, and I'm not sure if it is, but it has tiny little hearts all over it, pink with a off-white background. And then I'm not sure what, this almost feels like corduroy, but it's not as thick as corduroy. But I love the design and the print and the colors. And then we have some leaves, like a mossy green with leaves, white and blue, triangles. My hands are so dry, y'all. I'm at home nursing a sick kid, so forgive me for not sprucing up the hands and everything for you guys. I'm trying to make sure I keep up to date with my recordings. How cute is that? Isn't that the cutest thing? Look at the little fox and the birdie. The little mushrooms and trees. I really love that. I do so appreciate doodles. And this feels like, I want to say that this is, it feels like infusible fabric where, you know, you can put it on the back of the fabric to, one, it stiffens it, but it also, yeah, that's really what it's for. And that sometimes if it's double-sided, it can help you adhere it to another fabric, and then you sew and whatever have you, but that's what it feels like. Anyways, so I'm sure that I'll be putting this to full use in my junk journal and in some other projects. So thanks so much, Gretchen, for these sweet little fabric swatches. And again, I hope that you like mine. I do so love these, and you will see these in upcoming projects. I don't have anything like it, to be honest with you. So thanks for the variety that you have afforded me with this swap. And again, if you are interested in joining the swap over at Junk Journal Buddies, look down below in the description and you'll find you can hear Josh in the background coughing, poor baby. Say a prayer for him. Anyways, you'll find a link to the Facebook group, and go ahead, click join, and you'll see some posts from Penny, the admin, and those are where the swaps are, and also the events for them. There's pretty much a 10-day window for joining, so they're lots of fun, very little pressure, because it's typically stuff that you already have created or have around, or it's not that difficult to create. So I encourage you to join that, go over and join that if that's something you're interested in. And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafting community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.